So, welcome back! So, meron na naman tayong dumating na bagong giveaway package. Dumating lang siya today. So, I have to unbox it, guys, because I have no idea. Hindi nakalagay yung pangalan ng company. And see what is it. Okay? Let's do the unboxing again. Uy! Kika Ceramide Toner. Strengthening, refreshing, and hydrating daily lightweight toner. Ano to? So, ito yung itsura na, guys. It's a Korean product from One Thing. Alright, guys. So, this is from One Thing Cosmetic Official. Thank you so much, One Thing Cosmetic Official. I got your package. And we got another one from the same company. Oh, yeah. And this is a moisturizing lip essence from One Thing. Alright. So, ipakita natin, guys, kung ano yung laman ng bawat isa. Kung ano itsura niya. Alright. This is the serum. For this one, guys, this could be your toner or your serum. Kasi sabi sa directions, after cleansing, apply this extract in a variety of ways. Use it as a toner or a serum. Okay? Wow! It's a full size. So, kung ano yung itsura ng box, ganun din yung itsura ng loob, ay packaging niya. And then, next is itong kanilang moisturizing lip essence. Oh, love this. Ito siya, guys. You know, you will never go wrong with Korean beauty products because I love Korean beauty products. Thank you so much, One Thing Cosmetic Official. Thank you for sending me this moisturizing, hydrating beauty bundle. And I am so excited to try this out and see the improvements of my skin. Thank you.